What if you logged in today and your boss wasn't human, but a piece of code?
Imagine your tasks, ratings, and pay entirely dictated by an algorithm. That's algorithmic management. And the stakes are huge. Right now, code silently manages 12% of the global workforce. Recent research explains how this shift is completely rewriting our everyday lives and work contracts. Tech platforms sell a myth of freedom. They say you're just a flexible micro-entrepreneur. But the reality, it's strict, relentless, and completely invisible algorithmic control. That supposed flexibility is really just a mask hiding constant, unblinking surveillance. Code handles it all now, dispatching jobs, tracking ratings, changing prices, and even automating firings. It's a black box. Opaque decisions dictate pay and deal out penalties with zero human empathy. This creates massive safety risks. Strict countdowns directly push workers into incredibly dangerous driving behaviors. The known evidence is clear. This system directly causes severe burnout, intense stress, and physical exhaustion. Then there are inferred risks. Relentless automated nudging likely forces deep, permanent behavioral shifts over time. And the uncertain risks? Courts worldwide are still fiercely debating the legal status of digital workers. This regulatory vacuum leaves millions vulnerable, creating massive, unmanaged blind spots for organizations. Organizational leaders can't wait. We have to provide actionable assurance and govern these labor systems proactively. Start today. Conduct algorithmic audits, mandate human oversight, and build transparent appeal processes for workers. As global automation scales, we have to ask, will we govern the algorithm or will it govern us?